In today's episode, I'm going to be talking about how to build a robust online brand, sharing insights and lessons from my agency, Marketing Leap, and the journey that we've had. From understanding the importance of a strong online brand to key strategies, I'll then discuss the lessons learned over the last 11 and a half years of Marketing Leap and give you some actionable insights that you can apply to your business. Welcome to the Digital Success for Business podcast. I'm your host, Leanne Cohens, founder of Marketing Leap, and with over 25 years of business and marketing experience and more than 11 years leading Marketing Leap, I've had the privilege of working with hundreds of businesses to help them grow and thrive in the digital landscape. What is a strong online brand? A strong online brand encompasses four main aspects. The first is a consistent visual identity. Now that simply means having consistent and uniform use of your logos, color schemes, and design elements across all of your online platforms. You need to have a brand guide. These aren't just for big businesses, and these days most small businesses are in luck because you have Canva, where you can actually go in and set up all the elements once and then use that every single time you create content. A brand guide is also essential when working with printers, VAs, staff, and other stakeholders. Now, the next element of a strong brand is clear messaging. So being able to articulate your brand values, mission, and unique selling positions in such a way that your ideal client is simply asking, where have you been all my life and how can I work with you? Pulling the first two together then makes it easier to create engaging content, as you can provide valuable and relevant content that resonates with your target audience. Of course, as I'm constantly saying, to get traction, you need to be consistent and have an active online presence. And this means regular interaction with your audience through social media, blogs, and other digital channels. Now, the benefits of using these key strategies means that you are creating a strong online brand that develops increased customer trust and loyalty. An authentic online presence creates trust. It encourages repeat business. Now, the next benefit is increased visibility and reach when it comes to your online brand. Using effective branding strategies improves search engine rankings and social media engagement, and also can expand your audience, which in turn gives you a competitive advantage against your competitors because your distinctive online brand separates you and your business in the marketplace, making it more appealing to potential customers because you're different to what everyone else does. So to give an example, we recently transformed a client's online presence who came to us with a fragmented mishmash of branding. Their branding was inconsistent, their website lacked engagement, and this inconsistency led to low customer trust and limited online visibility. So the first thing we did before anything was a brand audit and a strategy, where we did a complete review of all of their existing brand elements and then created a cohesive branding strategy that aligned with their business goals. A big part of this was a website redesign to reflect the new branding and ensuring that mobile responsiveness and user-friendly navigation. We then integrated SEO best practices to improve search engine rankings, and once that base was complete, only then did we move into content creation by creating engaging blog posts, videos, and social media content that resonated with their target audience. At the same time, my social media team made sure that their platforms on social media were optimized and ensured that regardless of whatever platform they were found on, there was consistent visuals and messaging across the board. Once all of that was completed, we then implemented a content calendar to ensure regular and strategic posts. So what were the outcomes from all of that work? Firstly, there was improved brand recognition. They started to become talked about and recognized by their target audience and their ideal clients. They also have enhanced customer engagement as they are now experiencing higher interaction rates on their social media and on their website. Now that in turn has also led to an increase in sales and customer retention. So this transformation really underlines the importance of a strong online brand when it comes to achieving business success. So let's go a little bit deeper into the key strategies for building an online brand. Now, the first one is consistent branding across all of the platforms. Maintaining uniformity in logos, color schemes, messaging across all of the digital platforms is essential. This consistency fosters brand recognition and trust amongst your audience. And when customers encounter a cohesive brand, it reinforces your credibility and it makes your business more memorable. For instance, using the same profile picture and bio across all social media channels ensures that your audience can easily identify who you are across all the different platforms, enhancing familiarity and building trust. The next one is content creation and storytelling. Sharing your brand story humanizes your business and creates an emotional connection with your audience. Effective storytelling differentiates your brand and fosters loyalty. So to create engaging content, consider the following tips. Firstly, you need to understand your audience because it makes it easier for you to tailor your content to speak to the interests and the pain points of your ideal client. So you're talking directly to them. The next is to be authentic. There is only one you. So share genuine experiences and insights that reflect your brand's values and mission. And make sure that you use different types of content, incorporating blogs, videos, and podcasts. The reason that I'm here doing the Digital Success for Business podcast now and the YouTube channel. And then infographics to show different audience preferences, how things work. So for example, I've got a fantastic infographic on my resources page that gives you all the information you need as to what platforms are right for your business. I'll make sure the link's below this. So by consistently delivering valuable and relatable content, you position your brand as an authority, and that in turn helps build lasting relationships with your audience. Now, the next key strategy is leveraging social media. Identify the key platforms relevant to your business because this is essential to have effective engagement and community building. Now, remember the infographic I just mentioned? Each platform offers unique opportunities. Now, Facebook is ideal for sharing updates, events, and promotions to a broad audience. Instagram is perfect for visually showcasing product and behind-the-scenes content. LinkedIn is fantastic for B2B marketing and sharing industry insights. YouTube is perfect for tutorials, product demonstrations, and storytelling through video. And TikTok is great for reaching your audiences with creative and short-form content. And no, it's not just for Gen Z. Users spend an average of 56 minutes daily on TikTok, and it's great for business coaching, education, fitness, retail, health, financial services, and automotive industries. So to make sure that you're encouraging effective engagement, you need to make sure you're maintaining a consistent posting schedule because that keeps your audience engaged. Encourage participation through polls, Q&A sessions, and live videos. And then most importantly, respond promptly to comments and messages because that will help build a loyal community. By leveraging social media effectively, you can expand your reach and foster a community around your brand because it's all about building relationships. Now, the next key strategy is SEO, or what is commonly termed search everywhere optimization, with the increase in the use of Google's Genesis, ChatGPT, and Microsoft's Copilot. SEO plays a pivotal role in enhancing online visibility. By optimizing your website and content for search engines and AI search, you increase the likelihood of appearing in relevant search results. This drives organic traffic to your website. Now, basic SEO practices include keyword research, so you identify and incorporate the search terms or keywords that your audience is searching for. On-page optimization, which is optimizing your title tags, your meta descriptions, and the headers with relevant keywords inside your website. The next thing is to create quality content. So you produce informative and valuable content that addresses the needs of your audience. Because the longer your audience stays on your website, the more you are going to gain traction on the search engines because it's telling Google and Bing that what you have is entertaining, it's informative. Now, the next is mobile responsiveness and making sure that you have a good user experience when people visit your website on their mobile. So implementing these SEO strategies can significantly improve your search engine rankings, making it easier for potential customers to find your business online. And by focusing on consistent branding, compelling storytelling, strategic social media use, and effective SEO practices, you can build a robust online brand that resonates with your audience and stands out in the digital landscape. So, what have I learned in the last 11 and a half years of digital marketing and running my agency Marketing Leap? Well, the first is adaptability. In the dynamic world of digital marketing, adaptability is crucial. Over the past 11 years, Marketing Leap has continually evolved to stay ahead of industry trends because we've had to. For instance, as social media platforms emerged and gained popularity, we've integrated these channels into our strategies to enhance brand visibility for our clients. Additionally, recognizing the shift towards mobile browsing meant that we had to prioritize mobile responsive website designs to ensure that the user had the best experience of the websites we built. This commitment to adaptability has enabled us to meet the changing needs of our clients and the market effectively. The next thing that I've learned is to have a client-centric approach. So understanding and addressing my clients' needs has always been at the heart of Marketing Leap's philosophy and everything that I do. By maintaining open communication and fostering collaborative relationships, we tailor our strategies to align with each of our clients' unique goals. In actual fact, I don't believe in competition. It's all about collaboration. For example, when a client sought to improve their online presence, we conducted a comprehensive analysis of their existing digital footprint. And based on our findings, we then developed a customized plan that included website optimization, targeted content creation, and social media engagement. And this personalized approach resulted in increased website traffic, higher conversion rates, and more sales for the client. And with the speed that technology enhancement is constantly changing and growing, the digital space is all about continuous learning. It's ever evolving, making continuous learning essential. And at Marketing Leap, we prioritize ongoing engagement to stay ahead of the latest tools, techniques, and best practices. Our team regularly participates in industry learnings, webinars, and training sessions. And this dedication to professional development ensures that we can offer innovative solutions to our clients, keeping them competitive in their respective markets. And by staying informed about emerging trends, we can also proactively adjust our strategies, providing our clients with cutting-edge services that drive results. So through adaptability, a client-centric approach, and continuous learning, Marketing Leap has built a reputation for delivering effective digital marketing solutions over the past 11 and a half years. And these core principles have been core and instrumental in our success and remain integral to our operations as we navigate the constantly changing digital landscape. So, as I finish up today's episode on building a robust online brand, let's recap the key strategies that I've covered today. First one, consistent branding across the platforms, ensuring uniformity in logos, color schemes, and messaging to foster recognition and trust. The next strategy, content creation and storytelling, sharing your brand's narrative and your brand story to create an emotional connection with your audience. Then leveraging social media, identifying and engaging the platforms relevant to your business and building your community. And don't forget the infographic, so download that so you can apply it. Search engine optimization or SEO, implementing SEO practices to enhance online visibility and then attract organic traffic. And then the next thing, or the next strategy, is adaptability. You have to evolve with the digital trends to stay relevant, as this is a dynamic landscape and it's constantly changing. And then having a client-centric approach, understanding and addressing your clients' needs helps you build long-lasting relationships. And I have clients that have been working with me for years. And having continuous learning, prioritizing ongoing education, offers innovation solutions to your clients as well. And I encourage you to implement these strategies to strengthen your online presence. And remember that building a brand is an ongoing journey that requires dedication and adaptability. So if you need personalized guidance tailored to your business needs, connect with us here at Marketing Leap. My team is here to support you in navigating the digital landscape effectively. So thank you for tuning in to the Digital Success for Business podcast. Your support means the world to us. So join me next time as we explore the latest trends in social media marketing and how they can elevate your business. Until then, keep innovating and growing your brand. Thanks for tuning in to the Digital Success for Business podcast. Don't forget to subscribe, leave a review, and follow us on YouTube for even more tips.